What's going on, guys? 24/7 Tech here. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Fitbit Versa 2. Now, the Fitbit Versa 2 came about a week ago. It's a really cool product because the Fitbit Versa was already a really nice wearable for $200. So how does the Fitbit Versa 2 improve over the Fitbit Versa 1? And what stayed the same, pricing and availability? We'll go over all of that in this video today, so stay tuned for an awesome video.
As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch some more awesome tech videos in the future.
As I said in the clip before, guys, take 1 second out of this video, subscribe down below. Every subscriber makes a difference. We need every subscriber that we can get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Please subscribe. So what's new about the Fitbit Versa? First of all, Amazon is partnering with Fitbit. Amazon Alexa is built in to the Fitbit Versa, so now there's finally a voice assistant that you can use on the Fitbit Versa. This has been lacking for a while. Apple, Samsung, a lot of smartwatch companies have already had this, and now Fitbit's adding to the bunch. There's also enhanced sleep tracking now, which can track your sleep much more accurately and gives you a sleep score to see how you slept throughout the night. There's also even more premium sleep tracking called Fitbit Premium, which I'll be going over later in this video. But another thing, there's an always-on mode now, so a lot of people prefer this because if it's a watch, you should be just able to glance at it, and then you can tell the time. Of course, this really lowers the battery life, so I wouldn't recommend turning it on. And about the battery life, it's really, really good. It hasn't really changed over the Fitbit Versa, though. Still 4 to 5 hours. There are also 5 color options for the standard Fitbit Versa and 2 color options for the premium, which all look really nice. This one, however, the premium blue one, is my favorite by far. The band looks really nice as well. I'm just saying, if you're gonna go with the premium, go with that one. It looks really good. There's also no Fitbit logo on the front anymore. If you remember a bunch of my videos, I was saying the Fitbit logo shouldn't be in the front. It looks ugly, and they've listened. It's not on the front anymore. As you can see, that's the Versa 1, that's the Versa 2. There's no Fitbit logo. It's a much more cleaner appearance, you could say. And about the premium Fitbit Versa, you get 3 months of free Fitbit Premium, which is pretty much a more enhanced app, a much more dedicated app to workouts, exercising, steps, a bunch of those different things, which is really useful if you're a workout freak. But if you're just buying this for the smartwatch, it's really not for you. So what stayed the same with both of these Fitbits? First of all, it's the same boring design. It's not really much different, except, as I said, the Fitbit logo is not on the front anymore. It's not really too appealing anymore now. The Fitbit Versa has been out for like a year and a half now, and it's a good design, don't get me wrong. It's getting boring though. The bezels are getting thicker. Apple, Samsung, a lot of those companies have already reduced on the bezels for their smartwatches, and I'd like to see that from Fitbit upcoming. And it also tracks the basic steps, floors, heart rate, sleep. There's no extra thing that it's going to track for your workout for this Versa 2. But however, everything is more enhanced. It tracks it much more accurately, and especially sleep tracking is much more improved with this new Versa 2. There are more apps are compatible now, not much more. All the new apps that are compatible with the Versa 2 are also going to be compatible with the Versa 1. Fitbit only says about 200 plus apps are compatible, which is really nothing compared to the Apple Watch and how many apps that support the Apple Watch. So Fitbit still is lagging in the smartwatch section. Another thing, Versa Lite, however, has no upgrades. It doesn't have the new, it still has the Fitbit logo on the front. No enhanced sleep tracking, bands, colors, none of that. So the Versa Lite has stayed the same. So there's more of a gap between the Versa 2 and the Versa Lite now, and there are still interchangeable bands. Now, what's the pricing and availability like? First of all, it starts at the same $199, so no price increases, no price decreases if you're looking forward to that. It's a really good price for $199, just like $50 more than the Charge 3 to get a much better smartwatch. The premium version is still $229. However, now you do get the 3 months worth of Fitbit Premium with the premium version, with the premium Fitbit Versa 2. I like the premium Fitbit Versa 2 because the band is much more quality, and the colors really appeal to me, as I said before. It's available for pre-order in about a week or two, and there are 7 different colors it comes to choose from, 2 from the premium and 5 for the normal. So there's a huge color option if you're looking for something to stand out from the crowd. If you want to pre-order this in time for holiday season, stuff like that, it's going to be open for pre-order in a week or two. So it's perfectly in time for the back to school, Thanksgiving, Christmas crowd. Alright, so what are my overall impressions about the new Versa 2? First of all, it's a solid upgrade over the Fitbit Versa. Now, however, it's like the iPhone X 10 and the 10s. It's more like an S upgrade. It's a very minor upgrade to the Fitbit Versa 1. Nothing new, no design changes, build quality, screen, not anything spectacular. But it's a nice upgrade. It fixed some of the things that the Fitbit Versa was lacking, like the Fitbit logo on the front. They've removed that. So I like this product more than the Fitbit Versa 1. Now, it's not like this is more expensive, so if you were going to buy a Versa 1 at the beginning, go ahead and buy the Versa 2 now. But something you should keep in mind is that the Versa 1 will be probably cheaper, because third-party retailers probably have a lot of stock left for the Versa 2, Versa. And the Versa Lite, I say avoid it for now, because it's not updated yet for late 2019. I say go with the Versa 2, stick with it for $30-$40 extra. You're getting a much newer smartwatch than the Versa Lite. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe down below. Every subscriber makes a difference. We need all the subscribers we can get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!